So you found the perfect home and you're ready to write an offer. We're going to go over everything that goes into that offer next.
Hey everybody, John Diaz here.
Hi everyone, John Diaz, your Arizona Realtor. Welcome to The Real Deal, where we focus on people, not properties. We want to make you real savvy about the real estate process, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. Now, there are three major components to making an offer on a home. They come down to the legal portion, the money portion, and the timeline portion of the offer. So the first portion of the offer that we're going to talk about is the legal portion. Now, the legal portion is going to include the property description or the legal description of the home that you're purchasing. It's going to include the parties involved, including the buyer and the seller. It's going to include the contingencies that need to be met in order for the deal to close. It's going to involve any addendums that will change the purchase contract, and it also call out the third-party title and escrow company that will be working on your escrow. The second portion that we're going to go over is the money portion of the purchase offer. Now, this portion is going to include the earnest money which you're putting down to open up escrow. It's going to include the purchase price that you're offering for the home. It's going to include the down payment that you're putting down on the home. It's going to include financing details, including the type of loan that you're using. It's also going to include the concessions or the closing costs, who's going to pay for them, and what portion is each person going to pay for them. The third portion we're going to talk about is the timeline of the offer. Now, this portion is going to include the time that the seller has to respond to your offer. It's going to include the due diligence period, or the period that you have to do your inspections. It's going to include the close of escrow date, and it's also going to include the date for possession. There's several documents that go into a purchase offer, and each home is a little bit different because they don't require all the documents. For instance, a home that's not in an HOA community won't require an HOA addendum. Now, some of the documents you'll be putting in for your offer are your residential purchase contract, your market conditions advisory, a buyer's advisory, an agency disclosure, and your pre-qual letter or proof of funds. Once all those documents are signed, they're sent to the listing agent and presented to the seller. If you have any questions about the process or properties, feel free to reach out to me. If you or someone you know is ready to buy or sell a home, feel free to contact me by call or text at 480-442-4651. You can email me at jldsellsaz@gmail.com, or you can direct message me. Thank you very much for watching my video. You have a great day.